Do you need to exercise but have poor balance? Then chair exercises might be right for you. Today, I'm going to teach 5 simple exercises that you can do in sitting that can help strengthen your legs. If that sounds good to you, then stick around. Hi, I'm Kathy from Simple Fit Physical Therapy, where I teach you simple tips and tricks to help you stay strong or regain your strength. Before we get started, you'll need just a few things: a sturdy chair, of course, a small ball, and some resistance band. If you don't have any resistance band, that's okay. I'll show you some options in just a few minutes. So you'll want to sit up tall in the chair, and we're going to start with heel raises. Can you sit down? You'll want to sit up tall in your chair, and we're going to start with heel raises and toe raises. So we're going to start with lifting up our toes, followed by lifting up our heels. This is going to help strengthen the muscles in the front of the legs and in the back of the legs. You'll do about 8 to 12 repetitions of each of these exercises. The next exercise we're going to do is knee extension. You're simply going to straighten your knee and slowly lower your foot back to the ground. Be sure to hold it a few seconds at the top. You'll complete 8 to 12 repetitions on the first leg, and then you'll switch over to the other leg, also completing 8 to 12 repetitions. The next exercise is seated marching. You want to lift your legs, alternating left and right. Be sure to keep your back straight with these exercises. You don't want to hunch over. So for the other exercise, the knee extension, we did one leg at a time. For these, we're alternating left and right. The next exercise we're going to do is squeezing our knees together, or hip adduction. We're going to take a small ball or a towel roll or a small pillow, put it between our knees, and then squeeze our knees together, holding for about 5 seconds. And we've got Jersey here today to help us out, as always. Every time I want a video, she comes and joins me. The last exercise is hip adduction, or pulling the knees apart. If you don't have a resistance band, you can just bring your knees apart and then back together. Or you could also add a little resistance with your hands. So using your hands, just add a little resistance to the outside of your legs and continue that way. If you do have a band, you'll just tie it above your knees. I like to tie a bow because it makes it a lot easier when you want to take it off. So we're just bringing our knees apart and letting them come back to the middle. And again, we'll do 8 to 12 repetitions of this exercise. Depending on your fitness level, you can go back through and do 2 to 3 sets of each exercise. And remember, if you have any pre-existing health conditions, be sure to check with your healthcare provider before you start any new exercises. If you enjoyed these exercises, you might also like this one here. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon.